In any job, having a smooth workflow is vital. A workday can otherwise quickly disappear into time-consuming tasks that have little to do with the actual work. In the maintenance operation of the plant, the essential work takes place on the mill floor. But it's easy for administrative duties in front of the computer to take up much of the time. So to help the maintenance staff and production operators reduce their screen time and make their day-to-day activities much more efficient, Valmet created the Valmet mobile maintenance application. The application for iOS and Android is easy to use and makes all maintenance information available to everyone in real time. Users can create fault notifications, write comments, and add pictures to highlight problems. Identifying equipment is easily made via near-field communication or QR codes. Assigning, reviewing, and updating work orders can also be made in the application. And upon completion, operators can log their hours. This frees up time and limits the number of staff meetings. Having all maintenance information readily available in the application ensures a better overview and control and eliminates unnecessary work for everyone involved. And since everyone can see when an issue is reported, duplicate fault notifications are avoided. The need for pen and paper is eliminated, thereby minimizing the risk of losing or having incorrect work orders. The Valmet mobile application uses the same Valmet cloud platform as all Valmet industrial internet applications. There's no need for further development at the customer end. It's a quick and effortless implementation process that connects the application with the customer SAP. The Valmet mobile application makes life easier in the maintenance operation by creating a smoother and more efficient workflow, reducing costs, and by providing complete transparency for everyone involved.